In this video, I am going to show how to make a quick and easy vanilla milk peda at home. Hello friends, welcome to TiffinRoom and happy Diwali. If you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe. For recipes in Kannada language, please check our YouTube channel TiffinRoom Kannada. Now let's begin cooking. Take a pan. Don't keep it on the flame yet. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add a cup of sugar. Add half a cup of milk and mix well. Here I have taken 2 cups of skimmed milk powder. If you go with regular milk powder or dairy whitener, the peda will become little more chewy. Add little by little and mix it well to make sure there are no lumps. Keep the pan on the gas and keep the flame low to medium. Keep stirring the mixture continuously to avoid burning. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk with few drops of vanilla essence in it. If you don't like vanilla flavor and prefer to keep just the milk flavor as it is, you can add a pinch of cardamom at this stage. Now let me take the pan off the gas. Transfer this to a plate. Allow the peda to cool for 10 minutes. Take the peda, make it into a ball. Smear little ghee to avoid sticking. Grease your palms and rolling pin as well. Roll it using a rolling pin. At this stage, make sure the peda is still warm. On the occasion of Diwali, I have taken a diya shape cutter. You can use any shape or else you can just make ball shaped pedas. Here I am garnishing with pista slices, kesar and some rose petals. Now this is looking like a small flower. Beautiful diya shaped pedas are ready. This is fresh and tastes better than the ones you buy from outside. Now let's break the peda and see. Using skim milk powder gets you this beautiful texture. I hope you guys liked the vanilla milk peda recipe. For more such recipes, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.